Welcome to the Certificate in Corporate Finance regulation. This is the dashboard, your central hub for tracking your progress across chapter summaries, flashcards, and mock exams. Explore the chapter summaries to master the official syllabus with expert distilled explanations. For example, here's an overview of the regulatory environment. Each summary highlights examinable areas, common pitfalls, and specific exam tricks to help you focus your study efforts effectively. The summaries also include all numerical values you need to know and potential exam traps to help you avoid common mistakes. The quick cheat sheet provides searchable reference material for key definitions, timelines, and thresholds, all in one easy-to-access location. Use the study flashcards for active recall. This is the most effective way to memorize key rules and facts for the exam. Clicking the card reveals the definition, helping you confirm your knowledge and track your progress in the deck. The Mock Exam Hub offers 400 questions across 4 unique mocks: Foundations, Applied, Advanced, and Mixed, with unlimited attempts. Before starting an exam, you'll see a quick summary of the format, time limit, number of questions, and the required passing mark. During the mock exam, you'll answer multiple choice questions designed to test your knowledge in a timed environment. After the exam, review your results with a detailed correction review, including explanations for every question to reinforce your learning. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is here to provide instant support. Ask the tutor anything about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics. Simply input your question, and the AI tutor will provide a detailed, accurate response, summarizing key points for easy retention.